Hello everyone, and welcome to the webinar. So let's have a deep discussion about Forex and crypto setups. Guys, let me know, are you ready also to take a look on the crypto? Crypto, it seems that it's setting up for some quick profits, for some money. So let me know if you guys are ready to also watch them. That webinar could take a bit longer because we will first watch the Forex setups and then we will switch to the crypto. And let me just thank to everyone who is sharing the good feedback about the webinar. I can see that a lot of you guys are massively improving your trading knowledge and you are making money. And what I can see is that your basic understanding of market behavior is getting better. Okay, and this is the purpose of this webinar. What I would love from every one of you that you will understand how market moves, why it moves, and how it moves. Only the way like that you will make money. Okay, guys, you don't need any additional indicators. You don't need any additional, I don't know, strategy or any kind of robots and so on. We will do that only with manual trading. What we only what we have to do is only understand how market moves. It's so simple. There is not some complicated knowledge which you'll have to understand. So guys, let me know, is everything working fine? Do we have sound and screen on TradingView? And for those who are watching me on YouTube, let me know, use the chat, type in yes I can hear you, or just type something so I can know that everything works fine, because I've been setting up some additional settings, so hope that everything is fine so we can start. If you guys have any question, just feel free to use the chat as you did before. And if you're totally new, don't hesitate, just ask whatever you want. Okay, the people who are there last few webinars, they know they are free and they know that they can ask and communicate with us with questions, and they don't need to hesitate. Come on guys, just quickly use the chat, let me know that everything works fine. Okay, so we have one confirmation that everything is working fine on YouTube, so then probably TradingView seems to be working as well. So let's go. DXY, what we guys are anticipating there since quite a long, we will see the DXY will be going lower. That's no doubt about this movement. Okay, we will see this move at any time soon. Okay, and that's what's gonna give us a nice profit there on the Forex market. Okay, so dollar all the way down to 88. Okay, so why? Let me show you the bigger picture. The bigger picture is over there. That's the reason why we will be going down all the way back to this low to complete this huge pattern over there, and then continuation to the upside. Can you check GPM, please? Yes, I will. Okay, just give me a couple of minutes couple of minutes, about 30 minutes to complete the Forex setups. Then we will go and check the GPM for you. Okay, so just remind me if in case I will forget, just remind me and I will do that for you. Okay, no worries. You're welcome. Good morning also to you. If you're having the morning, okay, we are having the evening over there. So good morning to you and good evening to everyone. So let's go. Let's see what we are having there on the DXR. What we will do in the upcoming week. Okay, so in the upcoming week, watch there. Watch for the price action there around the top. The price is trying to complete this movement. Okay, so we can start bouncing to the downside at any time soon. So what it can do, it can go a little bit higher. Okay, we can break it for a bit, this top, and then it will still drag to the downside. Okay, so no worries. The main wave is still to the downside. So ignore all the bias that you will have there. Okay, so all flags for buys supposed to be ignored. Don't watch them. Don't even try to chase them or trade them. Okay, it's not worth of trading it. AUSD, okay, AUSD will be the good chart to watch. Okay, so why? What was the reason? The dollar is the reason. Okay, dollar turning to the upside, to the downside. Sorry, it will push the AUSD to the upside. Okay, so that will be nice chart to watch during the week. So keep an eye there, watch this how it will behave, and watch there for price action and take the trade. Okay, there's the nice money which is waiting there to to be taken. Okay, hello Alex, you are welcome. So people are coming. I think it's not early. Okay, it's 6 p.m. over there. Guys, just let me know in chat if this timing of the webinar it's too early or we supposed to do it next time 1 hour later maybe. I see that people. Hello, also Maria. You are welcome. Where have you been, Maria? Where have you been? It's been quite a long now. Okay, so guys, just use the chat if you think that webinar it's too early, so we can put it for 1 hour later. Yeah, it's good also for some people. Adrian, hello. You're also welcome. So people are coming now. Okay, that's great. Maybe I'm too fast. Okay, maybe we supposed to wait a little bit to see some more people. Sicily and AG, if you have time as well, it seems cruise ship will be less popular going forward with surging COVID. Yeah, we will watch this. Okay, so we will also watch it. Away, missed you guys. You've been away for two weeks, I think, or even more. So it's great to be there again. Let's go. Let's make that money. It's time to make money, to pull out some money out of the market. So hello also to Mejo. Perfect, guys. You are getting active. Or 2 months. Yeah, it may be also 2 months, Maria. Yeah, I don't know exactly. So now you will be fully active for 2 months. Okay, so if you were away 2 months, now you will be fully active 2 months. Mahmoud, hello also to you. How is Yurian? We will watch it. Yurian, we will go step by step to those analysis. We'll watch them. And after the Forex, we will watch couple of crypto setups. Okay, so couple of crypto setups is what we'll also watch. It's summer. People go to the beach. Yeah. It's summertime. Yeah, we can see this on the market. It's not moving so aggressive. Moves are slow. So we need some additional patience. Or what is even better, once you get into the trade, go to the beach, enjoy, and yeah, drink some cocktails until your trade goes in the profit. So you need double patience, but it's quite easy to have the patience in summertime. Okay, it's nice weather, we can enjoy, and so on. So it's easier, or during the summer, winter time. No, it's already kind of late for the USC people. It's on the EST here. Let's do Forex stocks. It's not late. It should be early if you're United States. Yeah, it's 2011. Yeah, let's do Forex stock script. Yeah, this is how we will do. We will follow these steps or lists. We will go with Forex stocks and then with the crypto. Yeah, Mahmoud, your yen will be the buy. Okay, so it will be worth of watching it for the buy. Okay, I tried to list in the video trading education weekly market outlook for forex cryptocurrency and stock, but I cannot have this song. What can I do? That's supposed to be on your side. Try to maybe, I don't know, check your sound in the bottom corner over there. You may mute it because the rest of the people can hear me, so that's supposed to be on your side. Oh yeah, I mean this is late in the afternoon because people go out after lunch usually. Yeah, so then this time it's really good. We catch a good timing so we can cover the USA people and also European and also Asian, so that's good. Okay, great. So people can hear me, so that's supposed to be on your side. This one who is typing me there on the trading view, so it's your side. I don't know why she doesn't hear me, but yeah, she have to fix it. I can do that for you. So let's go. Oz USD, what we are having currently over there. Okay, so we had a nice running flat over there. It went lower. We break the low, so we will start to reverse at any time soon. So what we'll have to do, okay, put some focus there. Watch for price action. Watch for the buy setup. So now those who are already or first time there, what they will have to watch is just for the small flag and then continuation to the upside. Okay, this is what you'll see on lower time frame. This is what you have to keep an eye on. 5 minute, 1 minute if you're skilled enough, or at least 15 minutes. Okay, so this is where you'll watch for that flag, for those reactions, and then you'll take the trade to the upside. Okay, so and for those who are also a little bit more experienced, they can watch to get in earlier, but you need to use the wider stop losses. Okay, so don't tighten your stop loss if you are getting in earlier. Okay, so don't tighten it. But anyway, all USD, it will be a nice trade over there. So hi, good evening also to you. Let's do it now. Let's focus on chart. Yeah, let's put additional focus now on the chart so we don't miss anything. So Oz usually watch it for a nice buy. Oz yen is quite confusing one. It's gonna go a little bit lower. I can see nicely breaking this low and then a little bit struggle there before pushing to the upside. Okay, so yeah, but anyway, it will be a nice trade at least back at a 10 line, okay, or something like expanded flat formation over there. This is what we can have before pushing down more. Okay, so this scenario to plays out or to appear basically to appear before pushing more to the downside. For those who would like to short it, no, that's not a spot to short. You have to watch it to go higher. So as you do remember, what we are always saying is sell high and buy low, okay? And we are at the bottom, we are low, and you can't sell right now, okay? So it does matter if there it will go total downside, okay? So if you missed it, just skip it. There are a lot of setups, there are many better charts, so don't chase the price, okay? Don't chase, sell from the high. Hi, good evening also to you. What about gold? Yeah, no worry, buddy. We will watch it. It's down there. Okay, so we are going step by step. We will go step by step from those Forex then to gold, silver, and stocks, and then we'll watch the crypto. So stay patient, stay there. We will go step by step. Watch also those Forex pairs. You will learn something. Okay, so stay with us. Don't go anywhere. And ask if there is something not clear to you. Okay, so she's having some issues with the sound, so if anyone in public can answer to her, that would be great. She's having a problem with sound. Um, Aussie Chief. Chief will also go a little bit higher because Chief is now struggling. Okay, Chief is struggling, but yeah, I can also see a retest of this previous bottom. Okay, even break it. Okay, break it and then pushing higher. Aussie pairs are behaving quite the same. Okay, they are having quite similar behavior. That small movement and then to the upside. Okay, so you have to be patient. Don't get in too early because as you know, our entry point matters. Okay, it's really important where your entry is, so don't get in too early. Watch it to break those lows and then watch for a buy stops. Aussie cat. Aussie cat is the only pair that I do not recommend you to take any trades on it. Okay, so it will go for the sideways movement. Okay, it can behave like this or even going lower and then up and then lower. Okay, so it will stay there within this area. So this is just the place for small trades, but a lot of risk is over there. Okay, a lot of risk is over there, and I do not recommend you watching the Aussie cat. Okay, so ignore the Aussie cat, same as Aussie New Zealand. This is what you have to ignore. Also, Aussie New Zealand and Aussie cats are not tradable charts at the moment. So let's have a watch on big pattern or big picture. What we can have there is this pushing lower all the way back at those low, okay, but that's not a spot for selling. Okay, so where is the spot for selling? These two going higher, then you'll try to find some entries over there, or if there will be the extended correction, some kind of the expanded flat. Okay, this expanded flat pushed at the top, then you will sell from there. Okay, so that kind of the pattern, and then it will be still to the downside. Okay, so once this buy will be appearing, don't chase the price, don't get in. Okay, and then just simply wait for this top. And one more thing, once you'll see that the buy is appearing over there, don't get in for this move. Okay, so ignore that movement. It's not worth of getting for the to getting in. Okay, this expand that to form, and then you can sell from the top. Okay, only watch for the selling, but until we will have a clear formation over there, we will be not trading. Okay, Aussie cat, Aussie New Zealand will stay non-tradable. I will mark them with the purple, color, or with the flag, however you will call it. So yeah, they are not tradable. Everything what is marked with purple color or purple flag will not be tradable. So skip it. Don't watch it. New Zealand USD. Okay, there it will be a nice trade also, but watch to hit the bottom again. We are struggling there where we are. We make a nice flag over there. We went lower. We break the bottom. We tag it. But what I would like to see is going for one more quick low, tagging those lows, and then you can buy from the bottom. Okay, so good move, which is also supported from the dollar movement. Dollar to to break low or to pushing lower will bring the New Zealand USD to the upside. Okay, so it will be a nice chart to watch during the next week. So let it go, let it push lower, and close to those lows is where you will watch for your entry point. So you have to put some focus over there and watch it on 5 minutes, 1 minute, or even 15 minutes, depends how skilled you are. Okay, and then buy it from the bottom. It could be a nice trade back at the trend line at least. So I will mark it with the, no, I'll not mark it. Okay, it's not ready yet. Okay, in our trading room, we are not marking the charts which are not ready. Okay, so we'll not put any flag. Once it will be at the bottom, then I will put the green flag for the upside. New Zealand yen, same there. Okay, I would be happy if this goes lower, tagging that low, and then I will be the buyer. Okay, so this move to appear, and then will be the buyer. Can it also go higher? Yes, this move also exists. This to appear. Okay, so going up, going low, going up, and they'll sell from the top, and then buy from the bottom. Okay, so only two chances exist, and this is how you have to do. But until we are in the middle of the structure, don't do anything. Okay, just sit back, relax, and watch other pairs, or train your eyes, back test. Okay, do something. Don't be nervous and just trade because you want it. A New Zealand cat, are you still with me, guys? Are you still there? Still with me? Okay, yes, perfect. People are still there. That's great. Well, let's continue. New Zealand cat. This trade will be also good. Okay, so going higher and then lower. Okay, at least back at the trend line. This will be the short-term trade. And if the cat will gain a lot of strength across the market, this pair will push all the way back to this trend line. Okay, so that will be the daily trend line. Something like that. But what I would like to see is one more high, this to complete the running flat. So impulse, then running flat, and one more low, and then buy and then sell. Okay, so that kind of the behavior, it's possible over there, will appear, but don't rush for it. Okay, don't rush for it. For our time frame, will tell you exactly when it will be ready. But there is what you can watch. There it will be the medium term trade, back to the trend line, take profit, and that's it. Okay. There also is an static resistance. We don't use the resistance lines. They are quite useless in our trading and they are not stable. I cannot rely on those lines. So yeah, we are not using the important resistance lines. New Zealand Chief, these to go lower and then going higher, that would be the perfect chart also to watch. Okay, so as you can see there, Aussie and New Zealand pair, there are a lot of great setups, sorry, a lot of Great setups, but let them drag lower and then buy from the bottom. Okay, as you did there. Once it's back down, you bought and then wait going higher. Then move. It's a bit slow. Okay, I don't like that movement. Okay, this is what I don't like. Based on that, I would love to see it pushing for one more low and then going higher. Okay, and there is a spot where I will watch for a buy setups. Okay, so I want that every one of you will also put some focus when it will make new low, rather than getting into the trade there in the middle of the pattern. Okay, so in the middle of the pattern, it's quite risky to enter because you have 50-50 chances. Okay, that the market can always extend itself and you'll be stopped out. Okay, and yeah, your chances to win the trade are reducing, so that's not good. Okay, if you are buying at the top, your chances also reducing. So selling at the top will give you the more chances, more accuracy rate to win the trade. So that's the reason why we are not entering in the middle of the chart. If you do so, then lower your risk. Okay, that's supposed to be a small trade. Your USD, this one will be the good chart to watch. Okay, based on the DXY, as I've been showing you at the beginning of the webinar, this is what you are having on the DXY, the dollar, and then pushing lower. This will just push the USD nicely to the upside. Okay, so this will be a nice trade that you have to catch. Okay, so put some focus there, put that on your watch list. It's a nice trade to watch, but let it push lower. Okay, at least breaking this low. Once it will break this low, then you have to start watching it. Okay, watching it for bouncing to the upside. Okay, it's worth of taking the trade. And if I will show you a quick trick over there, okay, that one, you see, this is the DXY. Okay, dollar, it looks the same as Euro USD in the sell. Okay, I just inverted the chart, so don't get confused. Okay, I will put it back now. This is it, what we are watching. Okay, if you watch the DXY, here's the movement. You see, you can see the Euro USD insights. Okay, so those who are new in our trading, you can see the same kind of the movement and then going higher. This is the DXY. Okay, same stuff. Euro USD there. Okay, this is the good good trade over there, but let it push lower. Okay, so once it will start breaking low, you have to focus on it. Okay, so uh your Aussie is also a good idea. Okay, Aussie to lose its strength across the market and sorry, to gain strength. Okay, to get some strength across the market will push the euro also to the downside. Okay, there is the nice trade. If you watch the daily where we are at the moment, you can see how nice correction is developing over there. And that nice correction, if you catch the trade from the top, it's worth of trading it. Okay, it's worth to catch it because it can go really nicely. There is the potential of how many pips? There is the at least 800 pips with a single trade. So if you are risking, I don't know, 100 euros, this is the setup of at least, let's say, versus 10. Okay, 10 to 12% at least is what you have to make with this single trade. Okay, by only having one trade, you can make at least 10 to 20%, even more if you are good enough, if you have enough skill. If you have enough skill, you can make more money over there. Okay, so my traders in my academy, they are able to make at least 30% with this single movement. Okay, at least 30%. But what I want from you, at least make this kind of profit. So if you are risking, I don't know, let's assume that you are risking $100, then you supposed to make at least $1,200. Okay, or if you're a little bit late or you don't have enough experience, then $1,000 it's the minimum what you have to make with the $100 risk. Okay, so nice money is over there. What you have to do is just put some focus on it. Okay, don't get into early, Do not watch lower time frame. The lower time frame will only confuse you and you'll miss that opportunity. Okay, also tightening your stop loss will stop you out and then the trade will go without you. So it's worth of focus, it's worth to watch it because nice opportunities is in the making over there. So watch it to sell from the top over there. Right guys? So good chart to watch. Okay, Euro USD, Euro Aussie. There are a lot of charts and there are also Aussie USD for the buy and New Zealand USD for the buy, but the most important charts are Euro USD and Euro Aussie. Okay, this is what I want that every one of you will make money out of this chart. Okay, we in our trading academy, we will watch that in everyday trading. We will keep an eye. Some additional focus will be there on those pairs. We'll try to add a lot of multiple trades. First, we'll enter it and then we'll watch to adding trades. Okay, so we will be keep adding trades. We can even double our accounts over there on the move down to the on this move down back at the previous low. Okay, so let's go here. GBP, what we are having over there currently, it's I would love to see that here GBP will go for one more low. Okay, so one more low is what I would love to see. Okay, these to go lower. This move it's not quite aggressive and that's the reason why I still believe that we'll come back at that trend line. Okay, so we will come back at that trend line. If it will go earlier, or if this is all from this low, or if this is all of the correction, this can go break this top really easily. But no worries, we will catch the trade. Once it will break out of the structure, make a flag there, then we can get into the trade a little bit later, okay? A little bit later. It's much more safe option. So everyone who is watching and who is still learning what we are doing, watch for the flags, okay? Watch for the flags before entering the chart. Don't get in on the running candle. Don't get in once you see that the chart is already moving, okay? Because you can be easily stopped out and your trade and your entry point will be really bad. What you have to do is always enter on the pullback, okay? Enter it on the pullback. Never ever get in on a running candle. That will give you some losses. So try to avoid that kind of a mistake. Here, Chief. So what we are having over there, it's also a good chart, but what I would love to see again, making new low and then going higher. That will cause with the Chief to go for one more up and then going down. Okay, so Chief economy, some small strengthening across the Chief pairs, and then it will lose its strength. Okay, this will push the year chief totally to the upside. Okay, but what you will have to do is wait, watch and wait over there. Okay, so wait to see if there will be any kind of a flag. You can consider taking some buys with not a big risk. Where you can risk is somewhere there. Okay, so close to this impulse generation point is where you can watch to put your risk on. Okay, I don't mean you'll be risking 10% of your account by getting in there. No, 1 to 3% is the maximum what you will be risking down there, somewhere there, and then to the upside. Okay, it's also a good trade which will be active probably during the week. We will also put an additional focus over there, low and then buy. Okay, charts are setting up, guys, so make sure you will not miss them. Here in New Zealand, to push back at the top, so nothing special is there. Don't do anything. Let it do whatever it wants to do. We are not interested to getting into the market there, okay, until we will have a clear sense of direction. Okay, so this is not clear sense of direction at the moment. Okay, not clear sense of direction. This can easily go push at the top and then breaking lower, okay? Especially if you see that the New Zealand pairs will go to the downside, then you will see there the quick wave to the upside, and then the New Zealand pair will turn for the upside for the longer movement, okay? So for the long move, long term will be the buy on the New Zealand, and then this will be your sell. Okay, this is your sell. This is how you will be able to get into the market for the bigger profit, for the biggest, how to say. returns. Okay, so only with these big movements, only with this high volatility, strong movements, you will make money. Okay, with those small movements, we are ignoring them. Okay, so what we are doing in our academy, we are ignoring those kind of the moves. They are not interested for us. Okay, there is much more risk involved than the profit. Okay, so try to not go for this buy. Prepare yourself for the sales from the top. Okay, here again, it's struggling there at the bottom. What we would love to see is going low. Okay, so going low. I know probably on Monday evening or during the Monday we will complete this movement and then we will start pushing higher. Okay, so this will be the move which you can watch during the week. Let's see how it will develop, but first, once the market will open, let it push lower. Okay, let it push lower. There's supposed to not be any aggressive candles. Okay, no any aggressive big candles over there. Okay, if there will be any aggressive candle, this setup will be invalidated. So make sure you will not be too fast or too nervous. Just slowly opening your trades. But yeah, it's also a nice trade there. Let's see how many pips are waiting there on us. Yeah, 275 pips. Oh, sorry. 275 pips are waiting on us. So this is at least 5% of the profit, 5 to 6% of the profit. Nice profit is over there, so it's worth of watching it. Your cat, same there. Your cat is setting up also for a nice sell over there. We can watch it during the week, but let it go higher. Okay, let it take this high, and then we'll watch for these sells. Okay, so what I do anticipate for the upcoming week on the cat is I'm anticipating a strong to gain some strength across the market. Sorry, I'm seeing that cat will gain some strength across the market, and that will cause that your cat will drop down nicely. Okay, and there is the nice setup which is trying to form. Okay, but let it lose some momentum over there first before you will getting into this trade. But also there is nice profit from the top. Okay, 400 profit, 400 pips. This is around 8 to 9% of the profit which you can make, which you will be able to make. And yeah, that's so easy. Just be patient. Setup needs to come to you. Okay, that's how market works. Are you still with me, guys? Yeah, people one is asking for the gold. Just wait couple of minutes. We are close to see the gold. We will see how it will develop. So I will show the analysis and what we are anticipating. So pound Aussie, it's also a good chart to watch. Okay, guys, it's also a good chart to watch. That Aussie, once you'll see that the Aussie USD will be pushing to the upside, then prepare yourself because the pound Aussie will go for this nice sell. Okay, so pound Aussie and Euro Aussie, those two charts are nice trades for the sell. Okay, for a selling opportunities over there. So great, people are still there, still with me. So we will have to watch it. Pound cat, same there. But pound cat it's not that good as the others are. Okay, so pound Aussie is better, Euro Aussie is better, Euro USD is better, but I don't like that much pound cat. Okay, you have to be a little bit more patient because this can struggle here and then going lower. Okay, you will see, but don't sell without having the price action. Okay, getting in with the price action is a good idea over there on the pound cat. But if you don't like it and if you can control yourself, I do recommend you skip it. Okay, don't watch it. There are many other pairs which are looking much better. Pound Nokian, same kind of the reversal setting up there. Let's go higher and then we'll see the sales over there, which will plays out during the week. So can we also see a sell from there? Yeah, that's possible. These two going lower, and if it will stop by the previous low somewhere there, it will go for one more high, and you can sell again from the top. Okay, it's quite easy trade. There is No complications. Pound USD. Pound USD is pushing lower. Okay, that's the dollar movement. Dollar pushing higher. This will bring this chart to the downside. Okay, so as you can see that there's the flag inside of this correction. Okay, nice flag. It's hiding there inside. Okay, so as you can see there, 1, 2, and 3, and where we are heading to, we will go break this low really easily and nicely, and it can even extend. So we can see some extension all the way down to this low, and then we'll be going higher. Why pound Aussie is the good chart for a buy? Because we still didn't complete and we still didn't break that high. Okay, we have to break this high. This is not a support and resistance line. Okay, so to make things clear for every one of you, this is just because of the pattern. Okay, this pattern there is still not completed. We are having the expanded flat, and this expanded flat needs to break the top at least, and then we will have a nice wonderful sell across the market. And yeah, we can go for this buy, but be careful, don't rush, don't get into early like I'm all the time keep repeating. Okay, so get in once you have a nice price action, I mean flex, sorry, price action you will not be able to recognize if you are not experienced enough. So rather wait for the flag and then take the trade to the upside. Okay, quite nice trade. It will be there. Okay, we'll set up. So yeah, a lot of money. It's waiting there on us in the upcoming weeks, or let's say in the upcoming month. Okay, so there will be a lot of trades, and you will be able to drink some cocktails and watch your account grow. Okay, but you have this will be the reward for being patient. Okay, so really, really good reward. Okay, so just let me remind you guys, for those who would love to join our trading academy, what you will have or what you will get is 6 to 8 week training course. There are trading lessons which are pre-recorded, which you have to watch, and then you will have to apply those knowledge on the charts, and then you will be able to read the chart, and you will be able to enter the market, how you will enter, where you will enter, and then what is the big benefit being trader or being the member of our academy. We are having the daily webinars where we are watching daily what are the setups to watch during the day. And if you have any questions, we are having the Slack community where we are discussing about setups and about trades, where to enter, where to exit, and so on. Okay, this is the huge benefit. I can see that people are improving their knowledge. And what I'm also doing for every one of you in the academy, I'm recording the special training videos. Okay, those videos are rely on the most common mistakes that the trader did. Okay, so what traders are doing, I ask them, I analyze their mistake, and I'm creating the videos based on that. Okay, so this will be the really powerful trading videos which will dramatically improve your knowledge, and yeah, it will also improve your profits, of course. Okay, you will see some nice profits on your account. Okay, so that's the reason why being a member of our academy is really good. And what else? There is the membership which you have to pay, and this is the lifetime membership. So once you pay, you will be there with us forever. There are no any hidden fees. You have unlocked everything until you will die. Okay, a little bit of joke. Yeah, but lifetime access is really good stuff. Okay, I'm keep improving and upgrading this academy. I want to make the academy which will have the number one knowledge. Okay, so let's go. Let's continue now with the setups. If you guys have any questions, just send me the private message in the Telegram group. There's the pin message with my contact. You can ask me anything you want, or you can simply go to the website tradewithmaster.eu, and you'll find a lot of information there. Read everything what you would like to know, and if you still have questions, send the email or contact me. Okay, it's all simple stuff. And what I would love to please you, I just almost forget, those who are watching me on YouTube, please hit that like button. Okay, this will help that the others who are also struggling with trades or with their analysis or reading the charts, you'll help them, okay? Because the YouTube algorithm will recommend this video to someone who is struggling, and I will be really happy because my purpose of those webinars are to improve people knowledge, okay? To help them understand market behavior. Yeah, that's good. Lifetime access until the end of the world. But the end of the world is not that close, so you have a time. Yeah, good one. So pound chief, I don't recommend you going to trade over there. So skip it. Any better setups are developing over there. Pound yen can drag lower, okay, or even struggle there, going higher, and then yeah, but it will not be tradable in the upcoming week. Same there, pound New Zealand will not be tradable. What you can do is, if you still want to go for the trade, it is going higher, okay, but you have to wait. Okay, wait to see some good price action. Okay, be aware. I do not recommend you going for this movement. Okay, what I do recommend you is ignoring this buy and preparing for the sell. Okay, this is how you have to do it. It's quite simple. At the end, there is the nice chart which will struggle there. Okay, and watch for buy stops over there, and then continuation to the upside. Okay, so good setup. It's preparing over there. Okay, going higher. If it will make the expanded thread, it will go down. If not, it will totally start pushing higher. That depends on the cat. Okay, cat is the question now. What the cat will do, then we'll see a nice movement over there. So keep your eyes for the buy stop first. Cat chief, same there, buy. Buying is what we'll have over there. So keep your eyes there. These to push higher, and then watch. Okay, this will be the time to watch because it can still go to the downside. Okay, so buy, it's what you have to watch for in the upcoming week. Chief yen, this is going lower, but it's not active anymore. I don't like it. Chief, it's quite not chief yen. It's not stable. So and also entry point will not be good. So let this chart do whatever it wants to do. It can go a little bit lower and then will still reverse to the upside. So don't do anything. Okay, so skip it in the upcoming week. Chief Nokian saying there, skip it. We are at top, that's true, okay, but it can still continue to the upside and then going lower. Sell it with the price action, okay? So once you'll see the solid price action over there, then you can trigger the trade. Don't get in too early. This could be quite stressful trade. USD CAT, also good chart to watch, especially if CAT, like I'm saying, okay? So like I'm saying, CAT to gain some strength across the market will give a nice opportunities there on the pairs. It will be nice to trade CAD yen for the buy and USD CAD for the sell. Okay, even better chart is USD CAD. Why? Because the dollar will go to the downside, CAD will go to the upside, and we can have a quick movement over there. Okay, so quick profit can appear over there. So nice chart to watch during the week. Okay, keep your eyes on. It can nicely go down, and yeah, profit is nice over there. I think, of course. 800 pips, so 30 to 40 to 40 profit at least. Okay, the minimum, or at least 10. Let's say the minimum is 10. At least 10% of the profit is what you can make over there. So nice money, right, guys? USDN, it's what I do not recommend you go for the sell. So for those who are selling it from the top, great one. Okay, keep on holding it a little bit. Let it break this low, and then you can consider some taking profit because this can give us the running flat, and then to continue to the downside. So watch it, okay? I don't recommend you open any position, neither buy, neither sells. So rather stay away from it, okay? Hello. Hello also. You are a little bit late, buddy. You're a little bit late. So for those who are late now on the webinar, feel free to watch the recordings, okay? I do recommend you watch the recordings from the beginning to the end. And where you can watch it, they are on the trading view. The recording will be uploaded. Feel free to rewatch the recording also during the weekend. For those who are watching me on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and there is a lot of videos which you can also watch. It doesn't matter if there are old videos. You can still watch them and you can still learn. Okay, there's a lot of knowledge which you can get by just watching those old webinars. I'm calling them old because, but they are not old. The knowledge is still fresh there for some people, and quite quite good knowledge is hiding there. So if you have time, just feel free to watch the recordings and let me know if it helps you by improving your knowledge. UD Chief, what we are having there, that's gonna go lower. This could still go for expanded flat, okay? There is expanded flat already, but it can still struggle there, and then it will go lower, and then it will go higher, okay? So don't do anything. Okay, USD Chief, it's not the pair to trade. Okay, I don't like it at the moment, especially now on this spot where it is right now. Okay, so where I would love to see it if it goes higher, then I may consider some sales. Okay, we'll watch that during the week in our academy, and then we'll maybe decide to take the sales. Okay, but it's too early now before we can make a decision. Is the Mexican nothing there? Skip it, non-tradable at the moment. USDC can same there. Okay, there it could be the running flat and these keep pushing higher. Okay, so what you can have there going higher and this fast move to the downside, similar like that one, and then one more high, and then it will drop the downside. Okay, so these can even break that high. Okay, that possibility exists, and that's the reason why the selling from there it's not making any sense, at least not for me. Okay, so this is the move which can get quite confusing one, and the profit it's not big over there. Okay, you are risking more than you are risking more than your target is. Okay, so don't go for these trades. That's the reason why I'm fastly skipping those trades. Don't want to be involved in that bad kind of the trades. Okay, so gold, we are final there. So people, are you still there? Are you still with me? We are on the gold. Let's see what the gold is trying to do. Do we have any trades that are possibly to be taken? I can see that the gold will still go to the downside. Okay, these can still go to downside, breaking those lows. Okay, there's a lot of chances that exist to go lower. So what we can do, what's the analysis? This going higher, you can try to have a sell over there, watch it, and then going lower. Okay, all the time watch for your sells. I can nicely see that this will go down at any time soon. So having the cells, taking the cells there is good idea. I saw that some in our academy they already shorted there from the top and they put the trade on a break even already. Okay, so they are doing really good. Why? There was the nice price action also on the lower time frame. There is a nice behavior which was showing that it will go down, and they are safe. Okay, you see how important your entry is. Okay, so my members, they took the trade there, they put it on break even, and they are safe. Okay, it's on the break even. Trade is on break even. If this breaks down now, congratulations to them. Okay, they are having a nice trade. I personally didn't took that trade. Okay, I have the others. Okay, so I'm not opening 15 trades or 20 trades, something like that. Okay, I'm just focusing on some of them. But yeah, those who did it, they did a really good job. They put it on break even and they are safe. Okay, they are safe. They can enjoy their life now. Okay, and just wait. So easy. So easy. Wait and see how your profit goes. So for those who are not in, let it go. Let make new high, break those tops, and then watch it. Lower time frame and these to drag lower again. Okay, nice trade over there. Can appear. Silver, it already breaks lower. Okay, this was the correction. 1, 2, 3. This was the correction breaking lower. The possibility still exists for one more high before going lower. Okay, so be careful. Don't sell now. That's a dangerous spot for the selling. Can I buy? No, of course you cannot buy. Okay, that makes no sense by buying the silver over there. So you can only sell it, and this is not the spot for the sell. So stay away from the silver right now. But during the week, if price will go fast to the upside, you can go for one more sell, and then we'll go to the upside. Okay, something like this can appear. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. This is what you can have going higher, and then it will go lower again. Okay, but it's too far away for now for this. Sugar, we've been discussing also about this one. It's going nicely to the upside. So those who missed it, you can find some lower time frame flags over there. Try to buy all the way back at the top, and this is your profit. Okay, remove it. It's gonna go and reverse from the top again. Okay, so be careful over there. But yeah, you can consider taking some buys over there. Okay, so let's go. Let's continue. US oil. US oil, it's nicely pushing lower, and there is nothing to do anymore. If you're selling from there, you're doing good job. Don't sell from there. Let it go back. Give you the running flat. So 1, 2, 3. Not breaking that high. Running flat, and then keep pushing lower. Okay, something like this to play out, and then you can sell somewhere there. Okay, so keep your eyes on if that appears or give you the chances. Okay, so same kind of the behavior over there. These to push lower, going higher, give you the flat, nice flat, and then going lower. Okay, so this is what we can have there during the week. 1, 2, 3, the nice flat, and then going lower. So sell from around the previous high. US 30, what we are having over there, this is going lower nicely. Okay, so we've been selling all the time. We've been selling from there. We are selling from there. Okay, we are all the time selling, and we will not stop selling it. One of them will go really nice to the downside and nice profit there. So what I would like from you and what I would love from you is to find some sales also and getting into the trade. Don't be late, okay? So if you missed it, just wait for the pullback on 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute time frame, and then join the sell, okay? But don't get in on those running candles, okay? So stupid idea will be if you enter it the sell now, okay? Why? This will go to the upside, will hit your stop loss. You have a stop loss, and it will go low, and then you will get mad, and the frustration will come, and even some traumas. Okay, so trauma can appear over there, and you will be afraid to open a new cell over there just because of this stupid mistake entering over there. Okay, so be aware. Trading could be quite a psychology psychology game. So we have a question: what tool or indicators you use to enter and exit a trade? What I use? We only use the chart. Okay, like you see there on the picture. No indicators. That's all. What you need to see is candles, flags, lower time frame experience, and that's all. That's all what you need. You don't need any special indicators. Then there is no big knowledge. Okay, you just need to be. You have to be capable of reading those candles. Okay, here is the power by reading the candles. Okay, you have to be capable of reading those small candles on lower time frame. This is what will improve your knowledge, and this is what will tell you where the chart will move in the future. Okay, just follow the flag. So for those who are new in our webinar, try to backtest. Okay, so try to backtest. Just take some part of the chart and see. Okay, so flag, what is it telling to me? Buy. Flag, what is it telling to me? Buy. What this flag is saying? Buy. What this buy is saying? Buy. Okay, and it went lower. So what this is saying? Sell. And what this is saying? Sell. 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 You see, it's so simple. So what you have to do, what is your our basic knowledge to understand? It's impulse and sell going lower, impulse buy then going higher. Okay, so go and backtest. Okay, backtest if this is so. Okay, you're supposed to not believe me. You have to check every single word that I'm saying. Go check it by yourself. Okay, you will see if this stuff works to you. You may also see that this stuff will may not work to you. Okay, but you have to check it. SP 500, nice sell is there from the top. There's nothing to say anymore. Just keep selling, keep selling, keep selling. It's going back at this low. Is there any chances that this can drag higher? Yes, it exists. Okay, so this move can appear, and then still the sell will be there. Okay, so no worries. Watch for the sell. German 30, same there. Let it go lower, and then it can still go high. I can still see that the German 30 can drag back at the top really fast. Okay, this move can appear quite fast across the market and then sell from the top. and then going lower. Okay, so watch it. Don't sell it from where it is right now. UK 100. I still see there the buy. Okay, buy which is non-tradable. Don't try to trade it. We have to break those tops. Okay, sorry, those tops, and then we'll be a seller. So no selling from the spot where it is right now. Nasdaq 100. If you are in, great, you're doing a wonderful job. So let it break, let it correct, and you will be keep adding your trades. Okay, so let it go lower. Okay, but keep selling those sell setups. It's easy. Okay, easy stuff. Oh, really good. Are you guys still with me? Now we will just have a quick look on the crypto. I can see that the crypto is trying to set up for some movements, and we need to keep an eye on it because the money and opportunity is in the making. So those who are trading the crypto, the chances are coming. Okay, chances are coming. So let's watch them. Are you still with me, guys? Perfect. So some of them are still there. Some of them are quiet. They are ashamed to use the chat. Don't be ashamed, guys. It's we are here to help you. So don't panic. We are listening. That's great. That's great. If you are listening. So we will have a look now on the crypto. Just give me a couple of minutes. We have a question. Why you do not offer free trial membership? You are already using the free trial ship. Those webinars are those trial membership. Okay, so every Sunday webinar it's your free trial membership. Okay, you can use it for a year if you want. Okay, you can also check every analysis how it goes and so on, and I think this is enough. Okay, so this is enough, and based on that you can see if this is for you and if this is the knowledge which you would love to learn, and I think that's fair enough. Okay, so I think that's fair enough to have that kind of the trial membership. Okay, the people are not having that kind of the trial membership. They are hiding behind some knowledge, some extra knowledge, but I'm not hiding something special. You can check everything. Okay, you can check my knowledge for 2 years back. Okay, so 2 years back you can check my knowledge and you will see how it works, if it works, and so on. So it's free trial membership, it's lifetime. If you want, you can have it forever. That totally depends on you. But if you are interested and if you want to learn and if you see that there is much more knowledge which you would love to learn, then you are welcome. Okay? There is the membership which you have to pay, and everyone who is the member of the academy, they know that this price of the membership it's not high. They understand and they know what they bought and what kind of knowledge they bought. Okay, it's worth of every single penny. Okay, so but stop. Enough of talking about that membership. So who is not lazy and who knows and who can see the value in these, they will see it. Those who won't, they won't. Okay, so I don't care. Let's go now on the crypto. What we are having on the crypto, it's setting up there with a nice flag which will push to the upside. Okay, so I'm still seeing that this move will continue to the upside. Okay, so the question of time is when it will go. Okay, it can just struggle there and then going higher. Can it also break down? Yes, it can also break down, back that low and then going higher. This possibility also exists. This will be the much more daily behavior then. Okay, so daily correction and this one and then going lower, and then going higher, then going lower. Okay, but the chances still exist that there it will be a nice selling opportunity from the trend line. Okay, but until we see the buy there, we can catch some medium term altcoin setups. Okay, so altcoin setups, what we are watching there is as Bitcoin, as swap. Okay, we already bought some coins over there. I might personally entered somewhere there. I took a buy there. How far is it going? We'll see. Okay, so what is my target is CKB. This one same there is gonna drag back at the top. Okay, it can just stay there for a couple of days, even the week whole next week it can stay there, but once it will start breaking higher, that will be a nice trade, at least back at the trend line, and then reverse the downside, or even break that high and then going lower. Okay, so nice profit is there, so keep an eye there, watch it. Once it will start breaking, keep an eye on it. Okay, ATO and Bitcoin, that would be great if A2M Bitcoin will break lower. Okay, as you can see there, the pattern, and I would love to see the breaking lower, break those lows, and then turn to the upside. Okay, so place your alarms over there. Don't be too fast to getting into the chart from the new lows. Okay, and don't get in now. That's not spot for getting into the trade. Theta token, that one is also a good coin to watch. Now the momentum is quite aggressive, so let it settle down, come back at the trend line, and then you can buy. Okay, nice potential is setting up there on the theta. So theta is setting up for at least 170% of the profit. So this is good profit over there. So keep an eye there. Uh, with the membership, is there live chat for question and answers? Of course, you have the questions and answers all the time. You are able to ask anything you want. Okay, so there is the general chat where we are discussing, where we are answering the questions that people are having, and if this is not enough, then we will answer your question with details on the daily webinar, which is every morning at 10 a.m. in the morning. We are having the daily webinar where I personally answer the question and give you the missing knowledge, or I give you the explanations which you need. Okay, and this is really powerful. And yeah, you have all the time question and answers. Yeah, so 24/7 question answers are there. So let's go. Let's keep an eye there on the Theta Bitcoin, but let it go lower. KNC Bitcoin, that's quite difficult spot to trade. Okay, so this can drag higher, but it can also break lower. So I don't recommend you getting in from there. Okay, it's not good spot over there. LSK Bitcoin went already, so I'm not gonna say, or I'm not gonna talk what you missed. Okay, you cannot get into this trade there, that's not making sense. But if you get there, you make a nice profit. So at least you see 20% fast, 20% of the profit was there, but nothing there for you. Okay, so you have to skip it now. It's gone. Um, this one will be nice if it goes lower. Okay, so buying from the new low. Good chart to watch also. So put it on your chart, to your watch list. Sorry. ANKR Bitcoin also good. I can see the nice flag over there, which is completed and now pushing higher. Okay, at least that's kind of the move, going lower maybe, or even extend its way to the upside. So watch it, put it on your watch list. It's struggling there. You can place some buy. You'll see how far it will go. At least back at the trend line, you have enough time to take it off. Okay, so keep an eye. USDN, sir. We already passed the USDN. Okay, so I'm sorry, we already finish with the USDN. What you have to do is watch the recording, buddy. Okay, the recording is there all the time. Watch it, and I hope that you will find the answer. GRT Bitcoin, same there. Okay, so GRT Bitcoin, what I would love to see is new low. Okay, so going lower and then going higher. Okay, so watch them. They are setting up. What is really the rate of your accuracy of your analysis? Depends of your what are you capable of doing. Okay, some of them are able to double their accounts within 30 days or 60 days. That totally depends on your on how teachable are you. Okay, so that's totally vary from people to people. If you're teachable enough, if you're patient enough, and so on, then you will be able to make a lot of money. You will be able to double your account within 2 months at least. Okay, but if you're a little bit slower, you will be growing your account slowly, 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 and you will be still growing. Okay, that's the point. Grow it. Okay, so there is not fixed rate accuracy. That vary from people to people. AVX Bitcoin, let it go higher and then low, but no, I don't see it. It's ready for this movement. If it goes for this low, then yeah, good chart to watch for the buying. Siso coin, good one also. So what we can have over there, this one to drag lower. So what I would love to see it during the day today or even tomorrow to drag lower and watch it to buy somewhere there. Okay, so watch it. Stop it there. There are supposed to not be any strong candles. If any strong candles appear over there, ignore it. This setup will not be tradable. Okay, but if this goes slowly, 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 give you some price action over time frame, then yes, this is your trade. Go for it. Okay, easy. One USD. This one is also a nice trade. I mean, it will be a nice trade. And going back low there, and this is the number one setup. Why? Look at that one. 500% is what is waiting there for you if you will be patient enough. Okay, so your reward for patient is 500%. Isn't that great? Isn't that enough? I think that there is the big money for or big reward for being patient on crypto. Okay, so watch it. So what you can do, just watch it. Let the chart come down. You can buy it from the previous low. You will see, and I'll also place some alarms. I would love to be notified, but I'm not interested for this sell. Okay, let's do whatever it wants to, and then I would love to be a buyer. OXT Bitcoin. It's also on the weird spot. Okay, weird spot at the moment. If it goes lower, then I will be really happy. Okay, so breaking this low nicely, then I will be happy for a new buy. Okay, until then, I just have to patiently wait. I will show you the USDN analysis. Just wait a couple of minutes. If you're that impatient as you are on the chat, then probably you're not making money. You need to train your patience, buddy. STX, good chart to watch. Okay, so these two struggler and then still go to the upside. Okay, so good chart to watch. STX Bitcoin. This one is not ready yet, so I will label it with the orange. The setups that are not ready yet. Okay, so I just this is not so good. Okay, those orange setup will be the good one. Yeah, this is ready. FIS Bitcoin. This one will go lower. Okay, so these can quickly make new low. Okay, so this can quickly make a new low, so be careful, stay patient now. We are about to test this bottom. Okay, so this is a nice flag which can easily go and then going higher. That could explode basically. Okay, so Matic Bitcoin, this will go and break this low, so stay patient, let go lower, and then you can try for a bite. Okay, so nice buy, it can appear over there for 200%, so keep your eyes on. Okay, so those are the setups that I have shared with you. So keep an eye there. Nice crypto setups are waiting there, and this can nicely passively grow your account. Okay, this is the purpose of the webinar, to passively grow your account. Crypto is for passive growing your account. Easy, okay? We'll watch the USDN right now. Okay. If price chart patterns change with every time frame, how can you be confident with your decision is the correct one? You need rules which you have to follow, okay? There's the knowledge which you need to be able and to be capable of understanding when the chart is about to change and if this is the correct change or so. Okay, this is the experience and this is the knowledge. This is what you cannot learn in 1 week. Okay, you are not able to learn this in 1 week. You need experience for this and patient. USDN, it's here it is. This is what I say to not trade. Okay, don't go for these trades. It's not tradable simply. Okay, but what it can do, it can go easily up, breaking this high, give you the flag, and then it can go lower. Okay, so this is what you can have, and then the wave to the upside will appear. Okay, so this is the behavior which you can have over there across the market. Okay, so going higher, breaking this low, and then breaking lower, breaking all those lows, even a little bit lower, and then going higher. Okay, so this will give you the running flat in the running flat. Okay, so and then going to the upside, it will go high, but it's not yet time. Okay, time it's not yet there. Let it go lower, and then is the time to watch it for the buy. Okay, this is your USD yen. You have to watch the other pairs now for the upcoming week if you would love to make some money. Okay, so this is it. I hope guys you have enjoyed the webinar. So those who are interested to join, send me the private message if you need any informations. If not, then just go simply to the membership tab on the tradewithmaster.eu website. You will find the membership tab there and choose the membership that fits with you. And all the memberships are with the lifetime access. And once you will pay the membership, I will add you to the group and you will get the instructions. Okay, so this is it. Those people who are watching me on YouTube, I would please you to like the video. Okay, like the video because the YouTube algorithm will recommend that video to someone who is struggling. Okay, so you may help to someone who is not understand the market correctly right now and who is missing the knowledge, the main knowledge to understand where the market is moving. Okay, so please share it with him. You may help to someone. So this is it. Take care, everyone, and see you next Sunday. Enjoy your day and see you. Take care. Bye bye.